How to find a lost TikTok video after refreshing. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just go ahead and open up TikTok. And say for example that you've come across this video right here and you refreshed the page and lost the video. Now, where you can find that video, it's very easy and simple. You will be able to find it in your watch history. And to access that, you simply need to click on the profile icon at the bottom right to access your profile page right here. Now, once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy. And here you need to scroll down to this content and display section, and from there click on comment and watch history. And here click on watch history. And as you can see in your watch history right here, this is the video that we lost after the refreshing. And this works for all the videos. You will all find them right here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find a lost TikTok video after refreshing. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.